everyone, I'm Elvira Leonita Lehada, participant of National Skill Competition from Nusa Tenggara Timur. Firstly, welcome the customer by asking the customer, take a seat, then give greeting, introduce yourself, and offering help. Good morning, welcome to Baltasar Tours and Travel. I'm Vira, staff here. Take a seat, please.
Oh, thank you.
May I help you, sir?
Good morning. I'm Axel.
Secondly, asking schedule such as day, date, origin to destination, packs, and class.
For one-way ticket.
Okay, sir. Please wait a moment. Let me check first.
Okay.
Thirdly, access the airline website system to find flight availability. What class do you want, sir?
Economy class.
Okay, may I know how many
And
passengers,
giving
sir?
information about flight regulation, flight availability, and price.
We provide by Garuda Indonesia. The schedule are 27 October at 15:25 from Labuan Bajo and transit in Denpasar, Bali at 16:14 p.m. And the next day, start from Denpasar, Bali to Singapore at 16:30 and arrive at Singapore in 10 Singapore time.
Wow, sounds good. I want to buy the one ticket. May I know how much the price?
The price are 5,904,200 rupees.
After that, asking customers
let me
document.
process. Could you show me your identity card, please?
Okay, here you go. Could you arrange the window seat?
Alright, Mr. Axel, no problem.
Anyway, can I request the food also? I want vegetarian meals.
Yes, sir, no worries.
Oh, thank you.
And then, fill the reservation form on reservation system with the customer detail information until we got the passenger name record. And then, give the information about payment methods
Well, Mr.
and
Axel,
facilities.
what about the payment? Do you want to pay by credit card or any cash?
Okay, I have a cash only.
Okay, alright, Mr.
Fourthly,
Axel.
select ticketing queue and then select booking code and recheck all reservation, then select issued now if ticket is successfully issued. And the last one, then ticket is ready to print.
Well, Mr. Axel, this is your ticket. Thank you for using our service and have a nice flight.
Thank you. Also, can I take this?
Of course, I'm sorry.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you.
See you.